Wishing everyone a great start to the week. We are seeing a surge in ckBTC supply that is up 25% in just 24 hours. The big driver is Odin.fun. It's a trading platform transforming how Bitcoin transactions work. Before we get into the details, if you would like to support Ledger Live, you can send donations to our wallet. Check the description for details. The driving force behind this spike appears to be Odin.fun. It's a platform that has been gaining traction in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Developed by Bob Bodley, Odin.fun is positioning itself as the fastest way to trade tokens on Bitcoin, and the market seems to be responding. This sudden increase brings back memories of late December 2023, when a quiet but powerful movement was brewing. Back then, investors were pouring into Internet Computer Protocol without realizing that the entire infrastructure was built on it. The same dynamic appears to be at play now, with Odin.fun's rapid growth underpinned by ICP technology. Unlike conventional Bitcoin applications, which often face limitations due to the network's design, Odin.fun operates seamlessly because of ICP's advanced capabilities. What makes this more intriguing is the role of Omnity Network. It's a leading cross-chain protocol on ICP. Every rune token on Odin.fun is recorded directly onto the Bitcoin blockchain by Omnity Hub, which ensures a transparent and immutable ledger of activity. The numbers tell their own story. Cross-chain total value locked routed through Omnity Network has rocketed to $38 million. That is up from just $10 million a week ago. That's a 2.x increase. It's a sign that demand is not just growing but accelerating. With multiple major crypto wallets now integrated into Odin.fun, including NFID wallet, it's a digital identity and wallet system built on ICP. Accessibility is expanding rapidly. ckBTC itself is not new. Launched by Definity a year ago, it has been steadily climbing in TVL, but the ongoing MemeCoin launchpad frenzy has introduced another compelling use case. The question that many are now asking is, if meme coins can be inscribed directly onto Bitcoin, is there any real need to rely on other layer 1 networks? The long-term success of Odin.fun hinges on whether Bitcoin's early adopters are willing to use their Bitcoin holdings to invest in meme coins. This is where ckBTC's efficiency becomes crucial. Without it, high transaction cost and slow processing times could hinder adoption. But as with any digital asset, security remains a primary concern. ckBTC's security is backed by native Bitcoin integration, which ensures that transactions occur directly on the Bitcoin network without any central intermediary. The use of threshold ECDSA or Schnorr cryptography further strengthens security by enabling smart contracts to send, receive, and manage native Bitcoin assets, including runes. Governance is handled through the SNS. It's a decentralized system where changes can only be implemented with majority approval from the community. The ecosystem that is forming around Odin.fun, Omnity Network, and ckBTC is rapidly reshaping how Bitcoin-based applications function. A year ago, the idea of trading meme coins directly on Bitcoin with near instant transactions seemed unlikely. Now, with ckBTC providing the infrastructure and Odin.fun driving adoption, it is becoming a reality. The real test will be whether Bitcoin's purists embrace this shift or remain skeptical. For those looking to move Bitcoin into Odin.fun, the process has been streamlined through NFID and Bionic wallets. The steps are straightforward. Transfer ICP into an NFID wallet, then swap ICP for ckBTC and deposit Bitcoin using ckBTC at a 1:1 ratio. Each transaction is completed within seconds. It's a major improvement over traditional methods that often involve lengthy confirmation times and high fees. If the current trajectory is anything to go by, the momentum is already carrying this movement forward. The pieces are in place, and if Bitcoin's long-term holders start engaging with these new tools, the impact could be substantial. With more developers, investors, and users exploring this emerging ecosystem, the coming weeks could be the pivotal in shaping the next phase of Bitcoin's evolution. Moving on, a major discussion is unfolding in the ICP ecosystem around personal DAO's bid for SNS funding. Jesse D. Williams, the founder of Personal DAO, is rallying support for its SNS funding proposal as debate intensifies within the ICP community. While some believe the project aligns with decentralized governance principles, others question whether it fits the SNS framework. Personal DAO has already launched 18 DAOs within ICP, with notable contributors like AJKI76, ACES TV, Saul Mailer, Meta Owl, and Cymarino 80 backing its impact. Supporters argue that its contributions justify eligibility for SNS funding, while critics worry about deviations from established models. The outcome rests with the SNS, whose decision could set a precedent for future SNS projects. If approved, this could reshape decentralized governance within ICP, paving the way for more flexible funding models. That's all for today. If you found this update valuable, consider supporting Ledger Live. Wallet details are in the description. More updates coming soon. Stay tuned.